let's kick things off with a little inspiration. The greatest oak was once a little nut who held its ground. And here's a fitting Bible verse. And let us not grow weary of doing good, for in due season we will reap if we do not give up. Galatians 6-9. Hey everyone. Today, I'm diving into the fascinating world of indoor mushroom cultivation. Growing mushrooms indoors is not only easy and rewarding, but also a fantastic way to add some nutritious and versatile ingredients to your kitchen. First things first, you need to choose the right type of mushroom. Popular options include shiitake, oyster, and white button mushrooms. Mushrooms grow from spores in a substrate, which can be anything from spent coffee grounds to compost or manure. Find a dark, cool spot like a basement or under sink cabinet for optimal growth. Also, consider using a grow kit. It has all the essentials you'll need. Here's what you'll need: a dark, cool space, mushroom spawn, a substrate, a planting tray, potting soil, and a knife. Optional but helpful items include a thermometer and a heating mat. Now, let's get to the fun part: growing your mushrooms. Step 1. Fill your planting tray with the substrate, leaving an inch of space at the top. Keep it moist and maintain around 70° F for incubation. Step 2. Keep those spores and substrate moist by misting daily or covering with damp towels. Use a heating pad if necessary. Step 3. Once you see white tendrils, known as mycelium, lower the temperature to 55-60° F and cover with potting soil. Step 4. Harvest time. Cut your mushrooms at the stem with a knife when they're ready, typically 3 to 4 weeks for white button mushrooms and up to 6 months for shiitake. And remember, don't pull them out. A few tips. Consider starting with a grow kit, use a heating pad to speed up incubation, and join online mushroom growing communities for extra support. That's it. Mushroom growing indoors is simple and super rewarding. Happy growing, everyone!